cancer.
What's up, beautiful people? Today we're at Smorgasburg, and it's a new segment of the channel called Foos Vs Food. A little background story. We've been working out a lot lately because I finally hit my goal of hitting 185 pounds. So now I got to lose it. Randy, he hit his goal of reaching 300 pounds, and now he's gonna lose it.
He did it 2 years ago.
So we've been working out really hard all week, and we've decided that Sunday will be our little cheat day and a day where we film these Foos Vs Food videos. And today is the start of episode 1. Alright, so today we're in LA at Smorgasburg. Never been here. Have you been here?
What?
Have you ever been here?
LA? Yes.
No, at Smorgasburg.
No.
So I guess none of us has been here before. Dude, there's a lot of food around here. Hold on, let me turn around and show you guys.
Oh my god, that's good. What the?
Look at all this food. Look at this.
Mac and cheese? Hell no.
There's like vendors everywhere. Can't wait. Let's get to it.
Make it an evil. Sauce with scallion?
Dang.
73!
Wait, what?
Number 73!
Watch the 70, 71, 72.
I have two.
Number 72!
What's up?
Spike.
Hey, what you get? What you get?
No, miso chicken.
What's in it?
What?
What the hell? You didn't explain to me what's in it.
What? I don't know. Chicken. I don't remember.
Terrible, man.
Alright, let me show you how it's done, alright?
I do it.
I got this is the spicy tuna musubi. And what's in it, we have cooked albacore, right, as you see on top. And it's just some light sriracha mayo in it. That's basic, but I'm gonna see how it tastes.
Here we go. Hold up. What'd you get?
So this is mine. I got the barbecue beef musubi. So this, as you can see, is typically sliced steak crab.
Damn.
And inside is crab.
Inside is crab?
Yeah.
Damn. You're so gay. Stop moving it. The light changes when you move. Alright. Ooh. How's it?
I got sriracha, so it makes everything taste better.
Oh yeah. Alright.
Good.
So my turn.
Good night.
I got the special Mama Musubi. What's in it? I think there's shrimp, there's imitation crab, and then with the special sauce. I forgot what it is though. But shout out to Mama Musubi.
Alright, who's next?
What?
Alright, I wait for you.
Take that first bite, take that first bite.
Oh, Johnny's already finished his. You're supposed to share food. Never mind that.
Oh, this thing's really good. What you get? Oh, Mama Special, yeah?
Yep.
You want one try?
Alright,
What's it?
miso chicken.
But I tried onion rice.
Well, I don't see any chicken.
Still, it's probably can too.
Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. What is this?
That's spicy tuna.
Spicy tuna? Yeah. Pretty good. I like mine the best though. It's fun. You shorty. You can't reach.
Yes, I can.
Nope. Yay. Smorgasburg.
Yo, this is amazing. Check this out.
Just kidding. No, the flower's edible. Eat it.
Really?
No, it's not. Alright, so our second stop is Sip. We gotta, what is it? Satisfy that thirst.
Yeah,
Especially Randy.
Yep, your boy's thirsty. Always.
Damn. Gotta take
Real
life one
matcha.
step at a time, boys.
So our top half is matcha, the bottom half is pure goodness.
Alright, so this one over here, we got the aloe matcha. Basically matcha and aloe, I believe. Over here, we got the magic matcha. It's just, it's a magic in a cup. I don't know how else to explain it.
Yep.
Matcha or pink stuff.
How's it? Try it yet?
Try it.
Maybe. Yeah, stir it up, boy.
Yeah, get some of that plant in there, that flower action. Take a
Then I'm
sip.
gonna get prepared.
How's it? How's the
It's
consistency?
really good. It's really smooth going down my throat. It feels real good. I
You
feel
know
so
what's
good.
good going down your throat?
You tell me.
How is it, Johnny?
Right there, Daddy wants it. Daddy wants it, buddy.
Mix it up more.
Good.
It's good?
It's really interesting.
Huh?
It tastes like
Damn,
pumpkin in
really.
here.
Let's try
Very
this.
refreshing.
I'm not a matcha fan, but we'll see.
Soybean.
Like mung. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Well, it's really good.
Really? I think I like this one. The aloe. Really good at the bottom.
Matching matcha is really good.
This is actually good.
Yeah.
It's like-
Can we see something else?
I like that one more.
Actually good.
It's like the matching matcha. It's like
I like this one more.
you guys are Vietnamese. It's like yeah, ba mao.
Yep. But without the chia stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, now I'm gonna try the
No, let's do it in Viet.
aloe. The aloe.
Yeah, stop. No, let's do it in Viet and then post it for Viet people.
That's not matcha.
Holy crap, this thing is really good. It's like capico. You
Yeah.
guys ever tried it? It's really good.
I like this one more.
Yep. I like that.
Dang, it's like capico's good, dude. Don't drink it all. All right, so
Alright, YouTube, we have a question for you. It's really hot outside. Why is Randy wearing this? Should he go down one more? Yes, he should.
I go up one more. There we go. Done.
you gotta make it even. Go down one more too.
Yeah, do for the
Yeah, Zaddy.
Có lòng chưa?
Damn, so over here we got the shrimp daddy. What is it called?
This is a sweet and spicy shrimp plate. And as you can see here, we have the rice, we have pineapple, we have the shrimp. And I think this is like some sort of macaroni. Some, I don't know what type of seasoning it is. It's like Cajun. Don't know.
Yep.
Sick with it. And then over here we got from Chichidango, we got the pineapple coconut. It's like shaved ice and mochi. Damn, look at that. Ooh, we're about to dig into this, boy.
Who's your daddy?
Ooh, not you.
Yep.
All right, let's see it, Randy.
What the heck? Eat the shrimp food? That's what you came for.
I can a fork.
So here you can see this is the shrimp and this is the daddy.
Yep. You get the combo. Both looking like a snack.
Ooh.
Holy crap.
No words. What's up?
So good. I nut myself.
I'm gonna dig into sweet and spicy.
All right, go for it.
Oh my god, so good.
Damn.
Wait, are we supposed to put the lemonade out? Top?
That's a good idea.
I can see it now.
All right, make sure you're putting your lemon, your lime or lemon onto the whatever you're eating.
I think you put it on a strip.
It's really savory. It tastes like really good soup.
Hell yeah, look at Johnny's face, he's drooling over there. All right, who's gonna eat the flour? Come sip.
Johnny.
Someone give me a new tripod.
Put the damn thing down here. There we go.
Where'd you make it so?
Already poured it.
Umami bomb.
Let's try the ice. You press it yet?
Alright, Randy's gonna try out the Chichi Dango Shave Ice now.
Can't even see it.
Oh, you can't? Well, hey, you see this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sliding out, sliding out. He's sliding out. And try your shrimp. Dude, this thing is freaking bomb. Oh no, I dripped it into the ice cream.
yeah. More
This is so
sauce.
bomb.
Umami bomb.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
Eat. Sauce though. Holy crap. They even buy water here.
Damn, shrimp daddy, Chichi all gone.
Who's the daddy?
You see the shrimp? Daddy.
Call me daddy.
The aftermath. There's literally nothing left.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah. Sip is gone. Trip Daddy's gone. Chichi Dango's gone.
The daddy's still here.
But we still got Zaddy.
Yeah.
Damn,
Right
Zaddy.
here.
What are you pointing at?
My number. My number can be right here.
Where?
Right here.
Where? Next up, Wanderlust ice cream.
Lusting.
Randy's lusting.
Your boy's lusting.
Alright, so we're back under the freaking rape tunnel. And we just picked up some ice cream from Wanderlust.
Lusting land, boy.
What you get, boy?
Japanese Neapolitan?
Neapolitan? Yep. You know what's in it?
What? Nope.
Inspired by Japanese.
Yep.
It's different from the American one because it said so. As you can see, it's not the basic like the white, the pink, and the brown. This is freaking purple and green.
Yep.
Yeah.
And white.
Oh yeah. What'd you get?
I got the keto milk,
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido milk. Alright? This thing tastes like plain tart. If you already had plain tart, then this is what it is.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Hokkaido.
Cause I tasted earlier, it did not taste like plain tart.
It is.
What the heck? I picked up a pineapple. Yeah, with the ube cone. These are the ube cone. Look at that.
These are the
purple.
obey code. Obey code.
I have an ube cone.
What'd you get? Okay. Look at all those food.
Look at all those chickens.
Ooh. There are so many people here, dude.
Oh, the slush is $6. Oh, bottle water is $2.
Alright. This is probably the last stop we're
Get the
gonna
slush and
be at
bottle water.
before we
Got
head
it.
out. I'm getting super full.
I don't know how many you want.
Getting super full and
Just get the one bottle.
getting super full and super sleepy.
Get 2 water bottles.
Why are you hiding?
Really?
We get some slushes and get out of here.
How much slushes?
Turn that shit up. Yeah, yeah. Big bang, big bang. Yeah, you got the best banh mi. Yeah, Big Bang so good. Big Bang so good, man. G Dragon, woo! He's in a deep food coma.
Oh shit.
Food coma.
Yep, good.
So we just got out of Smorgasburg. And dude, first time going there, it's pretty lit. We didn't get that much food because we've been training our stomach to eat less calories. And that was way too much for us, even though it wasn't that much. But I'm so full. Are you full?
You are full.
To F. This guy was complaining about how full he was. He wants more, but his wallet is empty, but his stomach is full.
Yep.
Alright, so thank you again, guys, for watching this new segment of Foos Vs Food. This is the end of episode 1.
Your mama.
And Jimmy, I don't know what you just said. Let's say what you said.
Shoot, if you guys like this and you guys want to see more, comment, like, and subscribe. And and donate to a GoFundMe or something. Set something up so we get some funds for this.
Donate me for parking ticket.
Yup.
But this will F me over.
Because we parked too long. Yeah.
Someone's supposed to go out and grab it, but nope.
We tried to cheat the system, and on the way out, we tried to grab a new ticket, but there was a guy waiting there for Randy.
You guys supposed to go out. Yay.
You gay fool! I told you go faster, but nope, this guy took his time. Alright, until next time, boys. Late.
Keep eating.
Keep eating, boys. Keep eating.